welcome back to my channel. I have a Empties video. I was collecting this trash, let's say like this, for the last 2 months, I think. So without any other further ado, let's get started. By the way, if you see that I'm wearing the same clothes, this is the third video that I'm filming today, so that's the reason that I have the same makeup and the same outfit. I finished this Batiste dry shampoo, medium for brunette. I love it, it's good, also because it's my hair color, I enjoy it really much. I finished this Klorane Anti-Dandruff shampoo with Myrtle. I don't know what is this. I will put it here to read it. I have a really big problem with my dandruff, and this was triggered in the spring when I was dyeing my hair. Usually I'm using the L'Oreal casting color cream, and every time when I dye my hair using another dye, then the dandruff is triggered. So since then I'm trying to get rid of it. I was trying several shampoos. This was somehow efficient in the beginning, but now when I was toward the end of this bottle, my hair got used with this and it wasn't doing much. I have another shampoo that I will try. It's from La Roche-Posay, and this their anti-dandruff shampoo. So I will keep you up if this is much better than what I have right now. I was also finishing the conditioner and the mask. I think the mask is still something here. Yeah, so I have one more use left. But anyway, I thought I will show you on this video because I don't want to keep on empty bottles too much on my bathroom. On the previous video I think I showed you the shampoo, and now I finished the conditioner and the mask. They are good, they are effective. The mask is good for nourishing your hair, and the conditioner is detangling my hair. I finished those two shower gels from the Yves Rocher. One is with Lotus Flower Sage and the other one is with Tiare Flower and Ylang-Ylang. This is my favorite scent from all the shower gels that I use ever. I just love this scent. Oh, so I still left here some of the product, and I remember how much I enjoying while I'm taking the shower using this scent. So yeah, those are my favorites, and probably you will see them along my empty hauls for a long time. Deep in Nail Polish Remover by Cien. So basically is your dipping sponge acetone remover type. You're just dipping your finger. I think this was lasting me for 1 year, and even it was acetone free. I was enjoying, especially if I had a glitter or some stubborn nail polish that doesn't want to remove. But unfortunately I don't see now on my little store, they are not carrying this product anymore, but as soon as they will stock up, I will probably buy like 10 of these bottles because they are really fantastic. I finished my Body Shop SPF 50 PA++ sunscreen. I think I will show you on my summer favorites. I really enjoy this sunscreen. It was lightweight, no problem under the makeup, doesn't leave white residue. So probably if I will have the chance, I will repurchase. This Clinique Moisture Surge Overnight Mask. I like this mask, it was okay. I was using from time to time instead of moisturizer. After I was applying my retinol, I was just using this mask, and next day my skin was feeling more hydrated, more supple and nourished by using this Clinique mask. And also, like all Clinique products, doesn't have any perfume, so if you are sensitive on the fragrance on your skincare, I will highly recommend this mask and the Clinique brand in general. I have 3 ordinary products. First of them is not finished, is their high spreadability fluid primer. I didn't like this product. It's meant to make the application of your foundation to be really smooth. However, my skin was I have oily skin, especially on the T-zone, so if I was applying this primer, fluid primer, I was getting oily like within 10 minutes. So I was even not finishing to apply my foundation and powder up the face, and I was already seeing the oil going through. So yeah, no, we are not friends anymore. I'm sorry for you. I love ordinary products, but not this one. And 2 serums. First of them is the Granactive Retinoid 2% Emulsion, which I was using every night as my retinol serum. And also I was finishing up this buffet, which was really hyped. However, I didn't feel any change on my skin texture. It wasn't smoothing out my fine lines, especially on my forehead. I haven't, because I do like this, I have an expression line which I did not notice that it was somehow reducing. Maybe if I should have taken photos before and after using, I could have made some comparison, but so far it was not something visible. And it was more expensive. I think it was like double the price that their normal products are, but I didn't see any spectacular results. I finished up 2 Sephora masks. Actually, I still have some, I think 1 usage at least from this. First of them is the yellow clay mask, and the other one is the green clay mask. I was basically multi-masking. I was applying this green mask on my T-zone, and then I was using the yellow clay mask, which is more hydrating, on the rest of my face. I have those from at least 1 year, and I say that it's time for them to go, because it's written here that you should use them up to 12 months after opening, so after 1 year, bye bye. I finished this Ahava mineral body lotion. This I got in one of the recent Look Fantastic beauty boxes. I will link that video down below. It was really nice moisturizer. Here we got 40 milliliters, and I think I use it 4 times, maybe 3-4 times. But yeah, it's good if you just travel for a few days and you need a good moisturizer. This was really good. Also, I finished this NYX 48 hours moisturizing cream, 15 ml, also from Look Fantastic beauty box. Balance Me Congested Skin Serum. This was with tea tree oil, so I could feel this very powerful scent. So if you are sensitive to this particular fragrance or scent, I will warn you from now. It was a good one. I finished this Decleor Hydra Floral Anti-Pollution Hydrating Gel Cream with neroli essential oil and moringa extract. Guys, I really enjoy this cream. It has some floral smell, but it's a really pleasant one, and it's so hydrating. It was like pleasure to apply this every morning. All those small sizes that I show you are from Look Fantastic beauty boxes, excepting one from Vichy, which I will show you now. So this is this I got like a tester. Vichy Smoothness and Glow Energizing Skin for cream for dry skin. Here we have 3 ml or 0.1 fluid ounces. I didn't see many results from this cream, and even though the quantity is really small. So this is for Ernest, from Ernest Laszlo. It was their hydrating gel or something like this. I will put it on the screen exactly how it names, because the written has been gone. Anyway, I was really loving this, and I was applying every night after cleaning my skin and after applying my retinol, and before moisturizer I was going with this. So really hydrating. I finished this sample. I wanted to show you this sample from Benefit. Is their Professional Pearl Primer. So this is the newer version of their Professional, which I used a couple of years ago. But I really enjoyed this primer, and I already bought not a full size but a travel size, because I want to have this in my rotation. For me, this is game changer. It's the best smoothing, pore minimizing primer. And also what I noticed is that even is not claiming to do that, it will keep me matte for a longer time. I use it on my forehead, not because I have pores there, but just because I have some lines and I want to mask them somehow. And what I noticed that after applying my foundation, it was keeping me matte for a longer time that it normally stays. So yeah, I really enjoyed this primer. I finished up this Makeup Forever High Definition Powder. I still have some product left here, however the small holes here are clogged, so nothing else is going, or at least it's going a very short amount. So I'm not able to open it to get the product there. So anyway, I have it from a long time, so I said it's time for it to go. Really good setting powder, especially for the under eye area, so I enjoy using this. But now I have other products or travel size in my rotation, so probably I will not repurchase this very soon. I finish up my Physicians Formula eyeliner. This is the brush version. Guys, this was really good. I think I have it from 2 years, and for a longer period of time I was just using this, not daily, but anyway, a few times a week. I finished this concealer. Now what is here is what it left from the MAC Prolonger Concealer. I was depositing here on this concealer tube from the Estée Lauder. It was the original product here, because I was just hating the packaging of the MAC Prolonger Concealer. It was really good concealer, and I used it for a few years, I can say like this. But I will not repurchase, because I just hate the packaging, and I don't like to spend my time moving from one container to another one to be easy to apply. Because that one was coming with a pump, so whenever you are pressing, it was dispersing a bigger quantity of the product that you actually need for your under eye area. Every time I was wasting product, so from this reason I decided to move it here. I finished this Sephora lip topper. It was infused with some oil. It is something similar with the shaker that I have from Lancome, and which I didn't use it from a long time. So this was like this. This is the full size, and this was the Sephora version. Really hydrating, and the color was not so intense. So this is what is left, but is dry almost. So and I didn't use it too much. It was just the sample version that I got in my Sephora order like 2 years ago. The last product for today is the Too Faced Melted Longwear Lipstick in color nude. No? Yeah, melted nude. And this was released few years back. I still have some product left. This is really old, so I have it from the 2015, I think, and I really don't feel it comfortable on my lips. I also don't like the shade. It doesn't complement my my skin tone really well, and the actual formula, it's not my favorite one, so I will just throw it out and make room for other products to try. Okay, so I finish. The basket is empty. So thank you very much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe before leaving. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up. See you. Bye bye.